Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a quick product demonstration. We're starting with our dashboard where you can see all of the watch lists you have created about the companies that you are interested in or just want to follow, whether you shared with your team or created them personally. So when you click on a watch list, you can see all of the companies listed one after the other and with all of their important information such as their AI insight, their highlights with their latest signals, their matching score, their slogan, description, services, target customers, founders and team, and all of the relevant information that you are interested in. So when you click on one of the companies, you have immediately the company profile with their business model, revenue model, their core services, their latest investments, their investors, their positioning in the market with their focus market problems, their current focus regions and potential expansion markets with their confidence levels, and the market penetration strategies. Then you have the AI insight that you can track and a prediction of the next move. So we can say that there's an expansion. Then you have the team information with the people that are in the managing team or working at this company with their previous experiences, their companies, their education, and their LinkedIn accounts. From the stats tab, you can see their recent activity signals, their last funding round, their team growth, investor network, and their website analytics with the channel distribution, the website traffic, etc. And in the technology tab, you have all of the analytics and tracking, the widgets, the languages, the payments, the frameworks, all the information relevant for the technology backbone of this website and the service. And then the job listings, so according to the locations, the job types, the positions, and then the news, if they have been mentioned in any of the news, you can find them here as well. And also the category. So here is about funding, here is about leadership, here's about the product launch, again, product launch, funding, and so on. And finally, you have the similar companies. They are similar in operation-wise with this company. When you click this button, you have the competitor watch list generated in 3-4 minutes. You can have the pre-made lists according to the industry, so you don't have to create them one by one. Then you have the news feed, which are the latest news about the categories, the startups, and the investors. Then you can have all the company list that you can filter to find specific companies. You have the investors that you can track and see their portfolio stats, their latest investments, who they invested in with who, their co-investors, according to the date, according to the startup. And you can also see the stats, so which industry do they invest in, which countries, which stages. Then you have the pipeline, so you can be up to date with your teammates. You have these ones, you can have the new opportunities in review, meeting scheduled, due diligence, offer made, etc. From the fact sheet, you can create under 15 minutes company reports that is very relevant for due diligence reports or in general market research reports. You have all kinds of information such as the market problems, their company summary, their competitive advantages, their core management team, their services, products and features, target customers, competitor domains, their large competitors and similar scale competitors, their focus regions, market size estimates, strategies, and finally the executive summary. Again, from the competitor finder, you can create competitor watch list by just writing the company name, and you will have it in a couple minutes. I hope this was helpful, and thank you.